Back on. We're back on. Ace is sizing up. If Ace gets this, I'm putting it straight on YouTube with or without it. It doesn't matter because this is amazing. He's fucking running from the end of the block. The man's getting a running start from the end of the... If you get a rolling start and jump this... Oh my God, I think I might just drop an extra dub on there. This shit is done, bro.
I used my legs in about 6 months, bro.
Ace, listen, I'm letting you know now. There's a possibility that you might get hurt doing this, and you have to go to work later, and everybody at work is gonna see this. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. Oh! Hey, hey, if you do anything like that, boy, that's money good. I'm letting you know that. Ace is still not left the hole. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Let me get him back there.
Oh my God!
I did that back.